Because Splinter, you know, work in areas where you're targeting different, you know, in some campaigns you can be targeting a very broad audience. So, for instance, we've done a recent campaign for World Museums Liverpool, where it's their launch, and really it's almost every part of society is their target audience to come and view the museum. Or you know, we've also had jobs where, you know, it's been very specific, the target audience. That may be a particular key stage group of children, or it may be, we did a campaign recently for men aged 50 to 65 on health issues. So it can either be very broad or very specific, and the success of any design project really depends on how well you can understand the target audience you're after, how they respond and what their needs are. There's a number of ways of dealing with this. Obviously, the experience of the design team and the amount of projects that they've done aimed at that target audience or other specific target audiences are going to lead in an instinctive way. But then beyond that, you must be able to justify what you're doing. And one of the key ways that we do that is with focus testing. So, for instance, in a health campaign which is aimed at a particular group of people, for sake of argument, we will ensure that we gather together a group or groups of these target audiences and present our initial visuals to them and get their reactions, because you know, you can never predict everything that these people might come up with. There might be something glaring that's completely jars with what these people, you know, normally associate with, or you know, they pick out something that they all like, that as a designer necessarily you don't think has much finesse or something like that, but is effective for the target audience. So it's very important to do testing in that kind of way to understand the group that you're after.